Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're testing right now, this is rather unusual. It's the Woowon Ultra Mix 5 liter with about a 3 liter working capacity. The unit obviously notably is missing its agitator. What contained in there would be your scraper, counter rotating, and homogenizer. And you'll see we're running right now both the homogenizer and the scraper system. Scraper has a manual speed adjustment right there. Everything else is done electronically through the HMI panel. You'll see very detailed, gives you a lot of control, speeds of everything, temperatures. It has a self-contained heating system you'll see down there with a spare port for a third electric immersion heater. In the center of the black there, you see that is the pump. Right now we're heating at 83 degrees centigrade. To the far left is the vacuum pump for the system. That will need to be replaced or rebuilt. We've noticed it's not operational. The unit has no bottom discharge. It's designed to be tilted. Manual raise and lower. We're operating on 223 phase voltage right now. The unit's in very good condition. Just would need to get the agitator from the factory. We're going to check and see, include that as a price with the unit if you're interested in purchasing it, or maybe just by chance you have a bad machine with a good agitator. We have lots of equipment in our stock and process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.